Fix a Frigidaire Dishwasher error code I10. Water fill issue, inlet and reset step. Fix 1, you can check the water supply. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it. Make sure the water supply valve under the sink is fully open. Check if the water line is bent or blocked, and then turn everything back on and test the dishwasher. Fix 2, you can check water pressure. Make sure your kitchen tap has normal water pressure. If pressure is low, fix the plumbing issue first and then run the dishwasher again. The fix 3, you can clean the water inlet valve filter. Turn off power and water supply. Pull the dishwasher slightly forward. Locate the water inlet valve, usually at the bottom rack, and remove the hose and check the small filter screen. And clean any dirt or drips and reconnect everything and test it. Step 4, you can reset the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher, unplug it or switch off the breaker. Wait for around 5 minutes and turn it back on and start a new cycle again. Goodbye.